Hi everyone, I'm Yvette St.Amant. I'm a licensing and published artist. I've been working in the industry for over 20 years. My specialty is home decor, and even though I create paintings that are mass produced and sold to retailers across North America, I'm here to share with you a technique on how you can get your artwork on your very own decor accessories. We're going to be doing a DIY clock kit and a pair of coasters that's going to go along with it. We're going to do a beautiful bohemian inspired pattern with some wonderful illustrative botanicals on it. And on top of that, I'm going to give all of you a special discount on all the supplies you're going to need, and you're going to get that in the next lesson when we cover all the supplies. I hope you're excited to do this wonderful DIY project with me, and I can't wait to get started. Let's just hop right in and get to it.